Everglades. We're heading to Indian Key Pass to anchor for the night. Well ahead of the storms that are going to roll in. Hopefully they'll all go around us, but if not, we'll have a nice good anchor. Kids and dogs are all passed out. Alrighty, we got into Indian Key Pass. There's our little ball. Our anchor's under it. An anchor here and enjoy the rest of the afternoon before the storms come in. Check out the little keys. I think that's Indian Key right there. See if we can't get this dinghy down and go out there. Get everybody onto some land. Finally getting the fishing rods out here.
Another one. You're just the one that's going to be supplying our fish for us, dude. Oh, he's going under. Go down. Careful. Hold on. Go down. Come over the trans. There you go. Oh!
Oh, they get video of it, but we got a picture of the sunrise. Leaving our first Anchorage. On our way. Just like people said, the mosquitoes were no joke, so we're trying to get out of here and out to open ocean as quick as we can to get rid of all the mosquitoes here. The kids and dogs can come out. No, it's not cold. We just have long stuff on so we don't get chewed all the way up.
I'm flying, Jack, I'm flying. I'm flying, Jack, I'm flying.
There is Cape Sable, Florida over there. Beautiful water, nice weather. We're going to go around a little bit and anchor on the other side over there. But that is Cape Sable there. I think we might even get to see a crocodile. Yeah, it has crocodiles, not just alligators. So get the kids and the dogs off, but keep an eye on them. I guess they'll still be on leashes. Just the dogs, not the kids. Beautiful waters out here.
No, it doesn't go to any of them. It's not yours, brother. No, it doesn't go to you because he's on off of the blue pad. No, he's on a little bit. No, I mean it is. Do you want to be walking on pea water? That's where we walk. Oreo chose to go pee off the pea pad. Drop it. I'll tickle you and tell you drop it. Drop it. Give it here. Well, I'm going to go down for it and then if you throw it, it'll go over. Grab it. No. Then I'll tickle. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
This is how we get prepared to go out with all of the mosquitoes in the morning here out the Everglades. Try not to get eaten alive because they're so bad and we got to get out of here. I put my jacket on too. It's only like about 80 degrees out, super hot, but you do what you do because the mosquitoes and the horseflies are horrible.
catfish right there. See it?
There's a whole bunch of them. There's a whole bunch here.
Oh, you okay now?
Good morning and goodbye, Cape Sable. Hey, sleepyhead. Captain's up there. Beautiful morning to sail down to Marathon. Wind's holding steady from the east. Got our chain up. It was a really sandy area. We had a great hook because, dude, we rolled for the about 18 hours we were anchored. We rolled the whole time. There was only a little bit where it was calm. We did 180 around our chain. This thing is awesome. So it's the little buoy ball that we tie to our chain, or to our anchor, so that two purposes. One is we know where the anchor's down at, give or take, because the rope's a little bit longer than it hits the floor, but we know about where our anchor is at all times. And two, if for some reason our chain should break loose, we know where our anchor is, and then Dan can go dive down and get it, because I sure am not, until we get in that crystal blue water again. This water was really pretty coming in, but I think the tide's on its way out, so it's got kind of silty. And Cape Sable is beautiful, but if the weather was going to be a little bit better last night, we probably would have anchored a couple more miles offshore, because the horse flies got bad. And then this morning, the mosquitoes are ridiculous. I think that a bunch of them hitched a ride from us from when we were up a little bit further in the Everglades, but it is the Everglades. Right now the seas are beautiful, it's smooth. I'm really hoping that it's going to stay like that the rest of this journey. I think we have about 4.5 hours until we get into Marathon.
I caught at least 7 catfish. The first one being super pretty. It was in that was the Everglades, right?
Yeah, we were in Indian Key when you caught like 6 of them. Huh? Downstairs. I'm gonna go get them in a minute. We're doing a video. All right. This is Southern Cross Life out.